Hello, my dear student. I am Anita, and this is chapter number 10 Light, Reflection and Refraction of CBSE Class 10 Science, Part 3rd. Let us now consider sign convention for spherical mirror. See, the mirror is placed in this manner, that is, half below and half above the principal axis. This principal axis will be what? X dash, x axis. The object will be always placed to the left. AB is the object. The height of the object is above principal axis. It will be taken as positive. The height of the image, if it is below principal axis, it will taken as negative. So height downward will be taken as negative, height upward will be taken as positive. The direction of incidence of light will be in this manner, that means from left to right. The distance towards the left will be taken as negative. So the object is placed over here. The distance from object to the mirror, it is what? U. So object distance will be always negative. The distance towards the right will be taken as positive. Let us see on this table. The mirrors are concave mirror and convex mirror. U is the object distance. It is always negative for both the sort of mirror. V is the image distance. It is negative when the image is real and inverted, and positive when the image is virtual. That means for the first 5 case, the image will be real and inverted, and for the last case, when the object is placed between the focus and the pole, at that time the virtual and erect image will be formed. So V will be taken as positive. In convex mirror, V is always taken as positive, as it is to the right of the mirror. The height of the object is taken as positive for both the mirror. Focal length will be negative for concave mirror and positive for convex mirror. The height of the image, H dash, is taken as negative for real and inverted and positive for virtual image, and it is always positive for convex mirror. Now let us see the mirror formula. It is the relationship between image distance, object distance and focal length. So 1 upon V plus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F, where U is equal to object distance, V is equal to image distance, and F is the focal length. What do you mean by magnification? It gives the relative extent to which the image of an object is magnified with respect to the object's size. It is represented by the letter M. So, M will be having a formula as minus V upon U, minus of image distance upon object distance, which is equal to H dash upon H. H dash is the height of the image and H is the height of the object. M is positive for virtual images and M is negative for real image. When M is greater than 1, then H dash is also greater than H. It is for concave mirror. When magnification is equal to 1, and therefore H dash and H, that means height of the object and height of the image, will be the same when the object is placed at the center for concave mirror as well as for the plane mirror. When magnification is less than 1, that means H dash is less than H for both the sort of mirror, concave as well as convex mirror. So height of the image is less than height of the object. So magnification will also be less than 1. Let us see now example 10.1. A convex mirror used for rear view mirror on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. So R is given as 3 meter. If bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. So object distance U is given as 5 meter. It will be given minus 5 meter. Image distance is a question mark. Height of the image also we have to find. That means H dash is a question mark. The mirror formula is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. And focal length here we can find out from the value of R as F is equal to R by 2. So 3 upon 2 comes out to be 1.5 meter. Now it is a convex mirror, so focal length will be taken as positive. Let us substitute the value of F and U. We will get V is equal to 1.15 meter. Again the sign is coming out to be positive. That means the image is at back of the mirror, to the right side of the mirror. Magnification we will have to find out in order to find the size of the image. It is given by minus V upon U equal to H dash upon H. Value of V and U, so we will substitute here and we will get M is equal to 0.23. So H dash is equal to 0.23 H, which is smaller in size. So height of the image is smaller in size, smaller than that of the object. Image is virtual, erect and smaller in size by the factor of 0.23. The magnification will not have any unit as it is the ratio of similar quantity. Let us solve example 10.2. An object 4 cm in size is placed at 25 cm in front of the concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and size of the image. Data given is U is equal to minus 25 cm, V is a question mark, H dash is also a question mark. Focal length is minus 15. Why minus sign? Because the mirror is concave mirror. The object size, that means H is equal to 4 cm. Let us put the value of U and F in this equation of 1 upon V equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U, and by substituting the values we will get V is equal to minus 75 upon 2 equal to minus 37.5 cm. The screen should be placed at 37.5 cm from the mirror and the image form is real because it can be obtained on the screen. It is to the left of the mirror. The magnification is having a formula as minus V upon U, which is also equal to H dash upon H. Therefore, H dash is equal to minus 6 cm. It indicates that image is inverted and enlarged.